Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an Amazon try-on haul. I've got 5 modest dresses. They are all a good length and affordable. Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an Amazon try-on haul for modest dresses. So I've picked out 5 dresses that I feel are modest looking. They don't show too much skin. They are a good length. I'm 5'6", and they come to a good length on my shins. I did get a size medium and everything. So let's take a look. So the first dress we have is this white, it says summer casual short sleeve smocked midi dress with puffed sleeves. It does come in other colors. I thought this white one was pretty. It does have the little button closure in the back. All of the front has smocking, so it is very stretchy. It goes around the back. It has kind of almost like an empire waist, which is also stretchy. It has this kind of like a little, I don't know if you can see it, kind of like a pinstripe design in it. Does go down to about your shins. The inside, it does have a lining, but it still looks pretty sheer to me, so you might need to wear a slip under it. The sleeves have this kind of layered look on them. It is 100% polyester. It does kind of feel like a gauze material. So the next dress we have is this floral geometric pattern short sleeve v-neck midi dress. This one is not floral, but it is the geometric pattern. They do have floral prints. I thought this one was super cute. I love the colors. It's got pink and then blue, and it's got some black in it. It does have this v-neck slit in it, which in the pictures it looks a lot shorter and doesn't look like it opens very much, but in person it opens quite a bit. We'll have to see how that is when we try it on. The sleeves are rolled and then stitched so that they won't unroll. It's got the loops for the belt, comes with belt tie, pattern all around. So this one goes about to below your knees. It does have a slight slit on the sides and then a round hem on the bottom. It is a polyester spandex blend. So it does have a slight stretch to it, but not much. I think this would also be good for if you have like a office job. I thought was super cute. They do have quite a few other colors and patterns. Okay, so our next dress, we have, this is a maxi boho flutter sleeved smock A-line dress. This is kind of like the first white one, but slightly different. So it's got the little ruffle sleeves. These sleeves are shorter than the other dress. It's got the button closure on the back. It is smocked all around the front and the back. Empire waist as well. Very, very stretchy. And then you've got the tiered kind of ruffle on the bottom. This one has no lining, but it's not sheer or anything. This is the sage color. They have a lot of other colors. Very pretty. Very, very pretty color. It is 100% rayon. Well, it has kind of like a little bit of the gauze filling fabric, gauze fill to it as well, but not as much as the first one. Okay, next dress we have is the casual short sleeve floral print button down v-neck summer boho midi dress. It's got a collar, I like that, so it's almost kind of like a dress shirt style. It does have buttons that unbutton all the way down, and it has a belt on it which is attached, and then it's got the elastic around the back where the belt is. It does have short sleeves, and the sleeves are cuffed as well. They are stitched on the top and the bottom. It does need to be ironed so that they will lay flat. It does have just a little bit of slit on the sides, and then the bottom kind of has a round cut to it. It is 100% viscose. It's very light, so it would be good for warmer weather. This is the yellow color. It's got like kind of like a mustard yellow, so not like a super bright yellow. And then it's got little flowers on it. They do have a whole bunch of other colors. Alrighty, last dress we have is this woman's summer striped ruffle, sleeves, tie, waist, pockets, swing midi dress. That's a long name. Okay, so they do have a lot of other colors in this. It goes down to probably past your knees. In the picture it shows, depending on how tall you are. So the top of it is this pink and white stripe. Then you have your elastic waist, and then the bottom is this very pretty pink. They're calling this the dusty pink. So it's not like a super bright pink. It does have a high neck. You've got the tie that goes around the waist. It is attached. It does have pockets. That's super nice. Pattern all the way around. Okay, so it is 65% rayon and 35% polyester. It does have stretch to it. It's a little bit on the heavier side. It feels just kind of like a comfy t-shirt, really. Very comfortable and soft. It's got a lot, they have a lot of other colors, and they're all like, the top is the striped, and then your color, depending on what color you pick, they're all the, they have a lot of cute colors. I think this is probably one of my favorites that I picked out. Okay, so those are the dresses that I picked out. My favorite one is the last one, the pink and white striped one. It's very comfy. I'm probably going to have to get a few more in other colors. Super cute. It's a little bit dressy, but casual as well. Just super comfy. Very nice, and it's got pockets, which is great. If you had a favorite dress, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel bunches. Consider subscribing if you like Amazon and clothing hauls. I do some cooking videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you are interested in any of these dresses, I will leave the links down below in the description.